Mastering root cause analysis in food safety, techniques and examples. Today, we'll equip you with techniques and practical examples to better understand and apply root cause analysis. What is root cause analysis? Root cause analysis is a structured method to identify the underlying causes of problems or incidents. In the food industry, it's a crucial tool for enhancing safety and preventing issues from recurring. Techniques for root cause analysis. Let's review some common techniques for conducting root cause analysis, particularly the 5 whys, where you keep asking whys to determine the root causes. Follow us on our Instagram or YouTube channels for our next videos, where we will share practical root cause analysis examples on contaminated products and allergen cross-contamination.